Alright guys, so we're looking at landing pages today, and it's really easy stuff. There's nothing difficult here at all. Now you can use tools like Profit Builder, you can use tools like Lead Pages or ClickFunnels or Convertry, or there's a whole bunch of those kind of tools around. I prefer to use InstaBuilder for sort of landing page funnels. I prefer to use Profit Builder for more serious sales pages because the templates are so much nicer looking, okay? But for the basics of just doing like squeeze pages, thank you pages, where you don't need a sort of membership behind it, then InstaBuilder is perfectly fine, okay? Now what you will notice a lot of the time with me that, you know, things don't always have to be perfect to get stuff out. The most important thing is that we get stuff done, okay? And we can keep moving forward, we can go and tweak things as we go along. As long as we're making progress, keep getting things out and we're getting traffic in, we listen to feedback. And if you got something like, you know, a basic headline and you can't think at that moment how I can make that better, then don't leave it for another 4 days until you figure out the perfect headline. You can always go back and tweak that, okay? If you got the first video there and you think I could do that better, but you really try to do it a couple of times and it's not working right now, fine. Take the video out, make a text post, or just keep the video as it is and go back and finish it later, go and do a better version later and put it back in, okay? Doesn't always have to be perfection. It's one of the biggest things that will hold you back if you're looking for perfection every single time. It's good to be able to do that, but we want to keep moving forward so that we do not lose momentum, and so that we can go and start building email lists and we can start making money, okay, and delivering high value at the same time with customer engagement, with consistency of the quality of the stuff that you are giving that audience, okay? So InstaBuilder, you can see here I've got the Pro version. If you've got InstaBuilder at all or something similar, you can probably find this similar kind of things. I think Profit Builder does have as well for funnels, okay? So InstaBuilder, what I want to do is just come in here and go to funnels, okay? And very simply, you can see I've done a whole ton of funnels in here that I haven't put content in yet. And I do this kind of thing because I get so many ideas. I can sit there and map them out ahead of time. I've probably got enough funnels in there that could do me for about, you know, at least 4, 5, 6 months for just knocking offers out. Now, if you're putting this amount of funnels into Warrior Plus and you start to build a reputation for good quality of content that you're providing, then you will start to find that you will get a lot of people coming back into funnels again and again and again. And what we can do at that point is, once we build that audience and that hardcore kind of following, then we ask them to share it with other people as well. So anyway, you can see I've got a whole bunch of these in here. What we can do is click on create a new funnel, and this one I'm going to call actually Project 66, okay? Project 66. And we're going to call this one an opt-in funnel, but we're going to make some sales pages in here as well. Now I like to stick with this sort of pro template that they provide with InstaBuilder. Okay, so I've got a squeeze page, I've got a confirmation page, I've got a thank you page. Okay, the confirmation page is good, but maybe I want to put that a little bit later. Okay, what's the difference between a confirmation and a thank you page? This is where you tell them that you have basically, wait a second. Okay, so what is a confirmation page? Confirmation page is where you send them to after they have confirmed the email, okay? And you can use that page to encourage them to do a sort of social share, like share on Facebook or Twitter or retweet or whatever, so that we can get more audience. They can, you know, share it with their friends, etc., and we can hopefully get more people come in. And once they have done that, then you can send them with the link to the thank you page to download or access whatever you were going to give them. Now I'm going to do this slightly different. I'm going to have the squeeze page. Okay, this confirmation page I really want to use part confirmation page and part of an upsell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to choose a different type of page for this. So I can put this as sales page. Okay, that means I'm going to have to manually do the template, but what matters right now is that we get this funnel correct. And then we have got a thank you page. We need a thank you page for where to access stuff. We can deliver that as well by email, or we can deliver it via a thank you page. If it's something to download, you need a thank you page. If it's something like access to a membership area somewhere, then that's going to be different from this funnel. You're going to redirect them from an email or from a license system often as well, where you can redirect them over to that membership site with their username and password, etc. Okay, so what I'm doing, squeeze page, sales page. So the squeeze page is telling them about Project 66. Come in and get 2 weeks trial free. Okay, sales page, we are going to build a part confirmation page, part sales page. I'll show you how I do that as I build that page out, and then we're going to send them to a thank you page. Okay, this will be the thank you page with the information I put on top of the sales page. Okay, so we can use a template from InstaBuilder that looks like this design, but what we can do is we can put some elements on top of the actual sales page where we can give them delivery of the free stuff. We can emphasize what they've already got. We can put underneath that sales video and tell them, you know, go and take a look at this offer down here. If you want to get the premium, you can get it right now at a discount, but if you wait longer, then the price will go up. So we can put some scarcity on there. We can give some added incentives, extra bonuses if they sign up right now, and that's one way where we can create a paying customer almost immediately from initial traffic. Okay, from there we take them to a thank you page where we can give them details of what to expect, where to get stuff that they just purchased, how to join Skype groups or Facebook groups, whatever it might be. Okay, so creating the funnel is actually really easy. I don't need more than 3 pages for this because I'm combining 2 pages in here. Okay, if I wanted to make an extra page, what I could do is I could keep this as a confirmation page, and I can make this into a sales page, so I could put in an extra step if I wanted to. Okay, let's just keep it like that because it might be simpler for you to understand. So we got the squeeze page where we're going to give them an offer to take Project 66 2 weeks free. We have the sales page to upsell. If they don't want the upsell, sorry, we have a confirmation page here where we can tell them how to access the non-premium Skype group and where they can access the training so far. Okay, and we can link to that blog post that's got all the links, right? And then we can have a link. It says, look, you can get a huge discount on Project 66 Premium if you click on this button. We don't need to give them more information, just mention huge discount, extra bonuses, scarcity if you do it before the countdown timer ends, or if you do it now, then, or you will never see this page again, or you'll never see this offer again. This offer button will disappear after 1 hour or something. So you kind of force them to go over to the sales page where hopefully you have done a good enough job with your sales page and your sales video to make them want to come in. Okay, from there what we can do is send them into a thank you page. If at that point they don't want to buy here, they just simply close it out. They don't get taken to a thank you page. If they purchase, then an email will send them over here. Okay, so if they purchase, they go into another email list, they get the confirmation email, they come in here. Okay, very sort of typical kind of funnel that we would do in internet marketing. You see this kind of stuff again and again in the JVZoo type launches where you buy the front end. You might buy the OTO one. If you don't buy the OTO one, you get sent in different places, etc. This is just a way that we can map it out really quickly and really easily, and one of the reasons I like InstaBuilder as well, so we can simply go and create the funnel. Okay, I've got to give it a name, so I'm going to call this one Project 66 free trial funnel. Now I can go and add more pages to this later if I really want to, and it's not a big deal if I don't do them right away. I can add just some separate pages external from what is showing in here. I think I'm going to have to refresh this page, I think, because I tried to click the button before I put the name in. that I might have created a little bit of a problem, so let's just run through it one more time then. Okay, it's an opt-in funnel, and we're going to choose November 2015, and I'm going to put in one extra sales page here. Okay, that's what we did before, so we got the name, everything there. We can create the funnel now. Okay, you can see very quick, it's not even 30 seconds, it's really quick. And we have the pages here, we have the pages with templates that we can use. All we need to do is go in one by one, and we can simply go and start to edit. Now if you see something like this, don't worry too much. Sometimes InstaBuilder does that, where we just can go in here and click on change a template, click on OK, and we're going to choose a squeeze page, and we can choose any squeeze page we want, but I want that one, specifically this one here. There we go. Okay, so we've got this page here. Now when you see things like this and you don't want it there, what I do is simply just delete whole sections so that I can keep it minimal, and I can do the same thing here, delete that section, keep it minimal. If you make a mistake, click on this button here with InstaBuilder, it will bring it back so you haven't lost it. Little bits like this, might as well fill them in since we're here. 2017, and I can put my name in here. Okay, that's done. Now all we need to do, get rid of this logo, we don't want it. All we need to do is create the headline for your offer, put in here what your first video is going to be about, keep to the theme that you got in the headline. Okay, we can put in here some extra text. What I like to do is put something like this, plus get XYZ, whatever it might be. Okay, just give them an incentive here to go and get something. I like to just make this a different color, just highlight this, and we can go to the color. I'll choose a bright green. I can make it bold if I want to. Okay, and you can see it stands out, and then we can just simply click on save. Okay, you need to go and do your opt-in forms and stuff like that as well. So what we can do is we will do a separate video, probably tomorrow actually, or maybe later tonight, because I've got a few other things I've got to get done first, and we will actually go and create this funnel completely. Okay, so you will see the video getting added, you will see the headline getting crafted using the ROT formula that I gave you yesterday in day 2. Okay, use the ROT formula so that we can get a headline that is compelling headline, that is a good headline that you can write in under 2 minutes probably. Okay, and we can give them some extra information here and put some extra information here, incentivize them, and we will go out and build an email list in Aweber. And so you can see how it's done. If you're not sure how that's done, I will record how to do that as well in a separate video. Okay, and we can put all this together very quickly. It's really easy and quick to do. Then we can come in and we can put in our sales page in here. Okay, if you're doing a sales page in something different like Profit Builder, then you can keep the URL, you can remove the InstaBuilder template, and you can just use Profit Builder instead. So you can use Profit Builder and InstaBuilder together. Okay, and we can follow this funnel out and we can do stuff. It's very quick, very easy. It's not going to be hard to do, but you do need to have your sales page already done. We will cover sales pages in much more detail, probably about week 3 or 4 of doing Project 66. We will cover the basics, and we will cover how to get it done professionally at the best price, and we will also cover how we can get affiliates later in the premium course as well. So that's all I want to do for now. It's a 15-minute video or 14-minute video already. I do have a few other bits I want to get done for Project 66 as well, just some little bit of preparation so that I can go and create this funnel for you and record that happening, so you can see just how easy it is to go and create it. Okay, so that's just an overview so far for today. Next video I will show you me actually doing it, and we will have an additional video of setting up a list in Aweber and adding that the Aweber code to here, so that we can force the double opt-in, and we can confirm the email, etc. Okay, thanks.